Hey KP Tech readers, sorry I haven't been keeping up with these software that run my life pieces. I've been actually quite busy and haven't had time to make videos, but I've had to make some blog posts. Hopefully you read those. But here's another piece of software that I use. I recently actually started only using it, but I'm pretty happy with it. I've always wanted to try Linux, but I've never actually had the time, or did I want to partition my drive. So I've been testing out virtual machine pieces, whether that there's a few that are other free, but this is actually from Sun, who makes Java and all of that. It's called Sun VM VirtualBox, or just Sun VirtualBox. You can search for it online and find it. But basically it lets you run virtual machines. I'll show you really quick. I'm going to start up Linux Mint for you. Just 1 second here. Let me adjust the windows. There you can see it's booting up, and then it enlarges more. Let me resize that window, and here's Linux Mint. We'll boot it up. It's loading up Grub right now. Resize this Windows quite a bit with the driver issues and things with Linux. Look, resize again. But there you go. It's booting. I'll shut that one down because I'll probably show you guys one you guys are more interested in. Let me get to it. But basically, when you start off to make a virtual machine, you can click on. When you start a new machine, you have the choice to make a new hard disk, which are virtual, so it's not actually an 80 gig file. It's maybe a 4 or 5, sometimes 20 gig file, depending on how big it is. You can either mount a CD-ROM or mount an ISO image. You mount a floppy if you even have one. Enable the audio. Your network, as long as you're connected to a network, you don't have to worry about connecting it through the virtual machine. You can enable a USB, and you basically create a new one through there. And just to give you guys a little fun, I will boot up. I did a slight review on Windows 7. I'm still working on a bit. I like it a lot more than what I'm using now, Vista, if you guys can see it. I'm using Vista. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it's there. There is just a black screen. Hold on. There we go. Starting Windows. Then we're going to start slowly. It boots a little slowly because it is a virtual machine, but once again, we have our settings here, and there's also a neat little thing you can do. It's called snapshots. They're basically small images that you can take before you, let's say you want to install some random program you've never heard of, and you want to save the state of the virtual machine before you install it, just in case something bad happens, and you can save a snapshot of it, and then you can revert back to the snapshot if anything happens. There's a information box telling me that mouse pointer integration is blah blah blah. Still taking a while to boot up. There we go. There's Windows 7 for you guys. Type in my password here, and I will post the links where you can download Windows 7 in this post too, so you can definitely download it. Depending if you can download it, I forgot if they actually took it off. Let it load. As you can see right here, Windows 7. Put you back. There we go. There's a famous, oh so famous fish. And there's more. There's my programs. I don't have too much installed. I haven't been using it too much. And there's more stuff down there. And that's Sun's VirtualBox for you. If you use any other virtual machine programs, anything, or any virtual machine products at all, let me know. Just leave a comment in the following post. Alright, thanks.